It can be easy to miss information on a claim form, but missing information can cause delays in assessing your claim. If you submitted a claim form on or before January 13th, 2023 and have not heard back, you may be missing information. Please contact the administrator at 1-888-221-2898 to check the status of your claim. If your form is missing information, you should get a letter from the administrator. That letter will say exactly what information is missing. And sometimes that information is about the representatives of a claimant. Some of those who attended a federal Indian day school have passed away or may no longer be able to act on their own behalf for a medical reason. Someone will act as the executor or administrator. This person is often appointed in a person's will. Sometimes the local public trustee office is already administering the estate. You should call to check before you continue. Only one person can make a claim on behalf of the deceased. If you are the executor or administrator, you'll need to fill out Claim Form Part 7, including your full name, address, and contact details, your relationship to the claimant, and valid documentation to verify your eligibility to act on the claimant's behalf. This can include a death certificate and the claimant's complete will, including signature, a court order confirming the claimant's will appointing you as a state representative, administrator, or executor, or a grant of administration from a court or reserve organization appointing you as the state representative, administrator, or executor. If the deceased claimant lived on reserve prior to passing away, we recommend that you call Indigenous Service Canada's regional offices to be appointed as the estate administrator. If you need legal support, you can call Class Counsel Gowling, WLG, at 1-844-539-3815, fax at 1-613-788-3629, or email at dayschools@gowlingwlg.com. If this is the only information you need to add, sign and date your form, and return your completed form to the administrator. And for any questions you have about your claim, you can call the administrator at 1-888-221-2898.